Okay, now let's go back out to the sprayers, and you can tell me about why I buy from you versus maybe, someone else that doesn't have the customer service support.
Okay. So, when you buy a sprayer with us, things I might ask you would be what kind of paint you're going to spray, how often you're going to spray it, what the recommended tip size on the paint can is. If you don't know that, we can figure it out. Because all of these are rated for different usage, yearly usages. So if you were somebody who wanted to just kind of keep it around for home use, I would stay here. But if you were a general contractor or a property manager, you want to go up to the Pro X17. Now, so not only do we help you choose what sprayer is best for you, but we also will take it out of the box here, we'll set it up, we'll show you how to operate it and properly maintain it, and make sure you have everything you need before you go, and that it's ready to go on the job from the moment you leave here.
Now, if I'm out of town, say I'm in from Ontario and I decide I want to order one, will you be taking those out of the box and going over it before you ship it to me, or?
We will not, but I will. You can either email me or you can call our toll-free number, or if you're more local, you can call our regular number, and we can offer you any help like that over the phone. Our website, pumpworks.ca, also offers a wealth of information, as well as all these machines come with very good step-by-step with picture instructions on how to start up and troubleshoot these machines.
Okay.
Yes, but we are always here available for support. If it's weekends or after hours and you can't call us on the phone, you can email me.
Okay.